Hey guys, Sylvia here and welcome all to my Etsy niche wealth code review. So that's the newest launch by these two guys, Andreas Quintana and Andrew Zerkin. Actually the whole training course, this one here, I have it here, so I'm going to show you around, has been created, put together by Andrew Zerkin. I mean, he's done the recordings, he's done the videos. Right, very talkative guy. Yeah, it's been a pleasure to listen to him. I've checked out the whole training course. Okay, and in essence, guys, this training course, which is, by the way, going live today on the 27th of November at, I believe, 11 a.m. New York time, will be on Etsy, for Etsy sellers specifically, okay, how to discover low competition but high profits opportunities on Etsy. Okay, now, so this is the sales page, guys. Go check out the sales page below my review. It's a very nice sales page. Okay, he gives examples here of like high paying listings. Okay, so depending on the kind of keyword you will search for and you also used for your listings, you will stand, a good chance to rank, okay, and tap into high profit sort of categories, okay, chances on Etsy to sell your, products, your creations, okay. Now the product, the front end is $27. There will be a few upsells, just two, I believe. Let me double check. Yeah, we'll come back to the funnel later. And then again, there will be some amazing bonuses. I'll show them to you actually inside of the members area, okay? So the sales page is beautiful, to the point, sweet and short, okay? Not your typical Warrior Plus lengthy, never-ending story sales page. Beautiful, as they say, let's just read through the headlines. Unlock Etsy's hidden profits. Master low competition niches for high profit print on demand success. And obviously, with Etsy, you will say you want to sell t-shirts, right? Or this pet niche is so much in demand and, very hot these days. Everybody's got a pet, right? Okay, nothing against it. I probably raised my eyebrows like, but I love dogs as well. Except for me, I would like to keep them in the countryside. That's my my thing. In the city, it's a bit tricky. Okay, I would love my dog, my cats to have freedom. That's how I grew up, with a lot of space, a lot of freedom, and the cats were just running around wherever they wanted, and that's what I would like to see again. But anyhow. Well, the pet niche is so popular, and you have t-shirts, jumpers and stuff for dogs, right? I mean, yeah, it is what it is. It's really selling. I guess some dogs who are I don't know, I'm not a dog, right? But maybe they do get cold and they need to wrap up warm in the winter, right? But you can sell it, and then, obviously you can connect your Etsy store with Printify, which is print on demand, and they will do the shifting and everything for you. So that's pretty cool, guys. So again, for Etsy sellers, and that's the training course here. And by the way, I have quite an amazing bonus for those who decide this is the product for them. They want to give it a shot, they want to buy it, purchase via the link below my review, which is going to take them to this sales page, okay? Then I'm also gonna give you guys amazing training course. I mean, all of that, many 20 videos, okay? From A to Z, okay, how to set up a store on Etsy, how to do the listings, okay, how to set up the payment system. It's been like no stones unturned here when it comes to this training course on Etsy that I give you access to as a bonus. Then again, you should be quite happy with, as I said, from A to Z, all of the shipping policies, to do with your Etsy account, how to personalize it, customize it, and also optimize it for good ranking. So cool. It even goes into in case you wanted to run paid ads on Etsy, you will find out from this training course some bits and pieces about that as well. So that's my bonus. But let's go back to the training course. So here we have it. Okay, first you will get again by Andrew. He's a good speaker. Like, trust me on that. And Andrew Zerkin, right? So introduction. The whole training course is going to take you about over an hour, 1 hour and a half. Okay, with the bonus videos. I mean, there's another big bonus at the end, which is a totally full training course on its own, and you get it only as a bonus. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you, but let's get to the point here. So he will show you, Andrew will do the introduction to Etsy Hunt. Now, guys, and it's all based on the use of Etsy Hunt. Etsy Hunt is a tool, a software that, let me show you which one I'm talking about. This one, it's free to start with, and then you can get the basic plan, which will, help you with the keywords and all of the tracking and all of that to do with Etsy for as little as $4 a month. And some of the tools can be really, really pricey. I do like that he picked the very, very affordable one here. Okay, it's a great tool as well. And as I said, you can do a trial and start it for free and then get by with as little as $4 a month, okay? And you will do so much research, you will find so much data, the keywords which rank, okay, which are the best to target on Etsy using this tool, Etsy Hunt, okay? So he's gonna give you here an introduction to this tool, and then by using this tool, he will show you how he does niche research deep dive. Okay, in video number 4 he's doing advanced Etsy SEO, and by the way, Andrew is an expert when it comes to SEO, which is search engine optimization. Okay, this guy really, I can tell he knows what he's talking about. Now in video number 5, it's about how to create Etsy creative niche layering, so-called. Okay, and he's also using ChatGPT to give him some ideas on what would be the hottest products, currently to sell on Etsy. Now, video number 6 is competitor store deep analysis. I like that as well, because he's using by using this tool, he's spying on the competition. And he's just checking out which stores do best and what he can, how to get inspired. Okay, not copy and paste, so to speak. Okay, never copy, but yeah, you can model. You can get inspired and do sort of in a similar style, similar products, and yeah, probably you will do also well. Right, and then in video number 7, let me refresh my knowledge. What was it about? I watched the whole training yesterday. Oh, I know. This was about Pinterest. Okay, free marketing method. Pinterest. Okay, goes really hand in hand with Etsy. Okay, and it's a great way to get more exposure to your products by utilizing the power of Pinterest, and Andrew will show you how to do that in that video. Okay, then we have the bonus video, which is about uploading to Etsy using Canva. Okay, it's for kind of newbies. Here, in case you haven't upgraded, you will have a chance to access your 2 upgrades. I'll show you the upgrades in a sec. And then I just want to show you this whole training course, which is a bonus for you guys. This is a bonus on top of the front end alone. So here is about Amazon, selling books on Amazon, how to create a book, how to outsource the cover, how to publish the book, and book marketing strategies. And you can even access the Facebook group here. So there you go. There's a big bonus, actually, not a little bonus for you as well. Okay, so that's your training course, guys. Now let me show you the upsells. As I said, it's actually $17.97 on the sales page. Maybe it hasn't been updated. Let me double check. On the sales page it says 27, but I guess once it goes live, it hasn't gone live. Okay, cool. there will be for a short period of time. I'm just actually reading it now. You can grab the groundbreaking Etsy Niche Wealth Code course at a special price of $17.97. Okay, cool, guys. $18 for the front end, and then the upsell number 1 will be 25 done for you at editable Canva templates for $27, and then last upsell, it's monthly subscription done for you coloring templates membership. Okay, they say this is a monthly coloring page templates membership where customers will get 25 brand new coloring page templates every single month. Okay, so if that sounds like something you'd find useful, you can pick it up. And yeah, the upsell number 1 is done for you Canva templates. Cool, guys. So that was my review on what was the name of the product. You see, I have such a short sometimes memory. Let me double check, actually, out of curiosity. Sylvia, refresh your knowledge. That was called Etsy Niche Wealth Code. Here I come. Okay, and also on top of just the front end, guys, if you decide to pick it up from me, a reminder, you're getting a full training course on how to set up a store on Etsy and all to do with selling products on Etsy. Okay, guys, digital or physical products, you name it. Okay, guys, love you and leave you, and I shall see you very, very soon. The sales page will be right below my review. Go check it out if you wish so. Right, bye.